When setting up a router table, the right tools make all the difference, both for your safety and for the quality of your work. In today's video, we'll go over the must-have tools you need to ensure you're set up for success. Let's dive in. Router. The router is the heart of your router table setup. It's the powerhouse that makes all your cuts, whether you're profiling edges or creating intricate designs. There are two main types, the fixed base router and the plunge router. While both are compatible with router tables, the fixed base router is typically preferred for its stability and ease of use, especially for beginners. The key here is compatibility. Make sure your router fits securely into your table. Choosing the right router helps you achieve precise, clean cuts every time. And that's what makes the difference between a good project and a great one. Clamps and fasteners. Clamps are non-negotiable when using a router table. Without them, your workpiece could shift during cuts, ruining your project and potentially causing safety issues. Whether you go for C-clamps, toggle clamps, or quick grip clamps, the goal is the same: secure your piece. Toggle clamps are particularly handy because they lock quickly and provide reliable pressure. Fasteners are just as important, ensuring your router and other parts stay firmly in place. A solid setup not only boosts your accuracy, but also your safety. Remember, the more stable your setup, the more precise your results. Table fence. Next, let's talk about the fence. The fence isn't just a support, it's your guide to precision. It ensures your workpiece moves along the right path, which is crucial for clean, accurate cuts. Most router tables come with an adjustable fence that allows you to fine-tune the setup for different types of cuts, whether you're edge profiling or cutting dados. A well-calibrated fence can also help prevent kickback, which is one of the most dangerous issues when using a router table. Some advanced fences even include anti-kickback mechanisms, keeping your piece securely in place. It's one of those features that's easy to overlook until you experience just how much it improves your work. Dust collection system. Sawdust is more than just an annoyance, it's a safety hazard. A proper dust collection system is vital, not only for a cleaner workspace but for your health. Router tables can produce a lot of dust, and if left unchecked, it can clog your equipment, reduce visibility, and even affect the air quality. Investing in a dust collection system ensures the debris stays where it belongs. Many router tables come with built-in dust collection ports that make it easy to hook up to an external system. The payoff? A safer, cleaner work environment that allows you to focus on what matters most: your project. Miter gauge and miter slot. A miter gauge might seem like a small addition, but it can really improve the versatility of your router table. This tool helps guide your workpiece when making crosscuts or angled cuts, giving you more control and precision. To use it, you'll need a miter slot in the table, ensuring the gauge fits perfectly and allows for straight, accurate cuts. It's not an absolute necessity, but if you're working on projects that demand high precision, like joints or angled cuts, this tool will be invaluable. Adding a miter gauge to your setup opens up a world of possibilities for fine woodworking. Insert plate and rings. The insert plate is a small but essential part of your router table setup. It acts as the stable mounting point for your router, while giving you easy access to the router bit for adjustments or changes. Adjustable insert rings are a bonus. They help prevent debris from building up around the bit and allow you to use different sizes of router bits. The insert plate adds versatility, enabling smooth operation while offering flexibility for a variety of tasks. When it comes to router tables, convenience and safety are key, and the insert plate enhances both. Featherboards and push blocks. Safety and control are crucial when using a router table, and featherboards and push blocks help you achieve both. Featherboards apply constant pressure to the workpiece, keeping it stable and reducing the risk of kickback. This helps you maintain smooth, controlled cuts. Push blocks are equally important. They keep your hands safely away from the router bit, so you don't have to worry about accidents. Both of these tools work together to make the process safer and more accurate, especially when you're feeding the workpiece through the router. Trust me, these tools are indispensable for anyone serious about woodworking. To wrap it up, having the right tools is essential to getting the most out of your router table setup. From the router itself to the clamps, fence, and safety tools, each component plays a vital role in making your project safer and more precise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions or comments below.